guys, welcome back to another video on a hair sent to me by Nadula Hair. So let's get into the wig. So I'm gonna be reviewing their copper brown 4x4 lace closure body wave wig, and I have it in 20 inches. Yes, I have it in 20 inches. So this does come pre-plucked, and the lace already come pre-cut, so you don't have to do that if you're not good at cutting lace. This is what the inside looks like. You get the strap in the back, and it has a silicone thing in the back just to adhere the wig to your head. This density is 150%, but if you like your wigs a little fluffier, you could get 180% if you so desire, but this was 150. I didn't mind it at all. As you guys can see, the lace blended perfectly, really nicely, and I like this style on me. But I'm gonna go ahead, and that's the back. I'm gonna go ahead and try another one so that you guys can see, you know, you can kind of change your style a little. Again, this wig is meant to be glueless, but it was not glueless on me because there was too much of a gap in the back. But if you wear it, it will definitely be glueless. And yeah guys, this is the updo, one of my favorite, and everything will be in the description. Nadula.